Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be reviewing some Lasfit Auto floor mats for my 2014 Ram 1500. So here's them right now. This is how the box comes. It's actually not very big at all. It's pretty light. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I went ahead and opened the box. Haven't taken out the wrapping yet. Trying to do this all with one hand. Looks like the passenger one. Right away has some really nice grooving. The brand name, the floor locks, and then the front lip. That came a little bit bent, but I'm sure over time it'll wear back to its normal shape. User manual in there as well with installation instructions, warranty, and company info. And then you got your rear here too, along with the rear name, the product name. Nice grooves all the way through with the bends for the center. So let's go ahead and get that installed and let you see what it looks like. Alright, here's a nice view of the difference between the stock Ram cloth mats versus the Lasfit hard durable plastic mats. The Lasfit molds around every curve and bend within the Ram truck compared to the stock cloth, which just lays flat. They both come with the locking mounts that holds it in, and all around I feel like Lasfit's a better fit.